Hey, it's Brian with the Midnight Mechanic. Today we're going to show you how to replace the tail lights in your GMT-800 truck. Now that's 99 to 2009 full-size Chevy and GMC truck. We're going to take the tail lights off of this wrecked 99 Silverado and we're going to stick them on our 2002 2500 HD, which we like to call Eldona. So it's really easy to do. It's really only a couple screws. The ones on this truck are actually really nice and the ones on our truck are not. So we're really looking forward to putting some decent taillights on there, so we figured we'd show you how to do it. Our truck already has the tailgate and everything off of it, so it's really easy to see what you need to do. It's really only two screws. There's one up here and there's one down here. All you got to do is take these two out and then you can rotate the taillight off. We'll show you how to do it. It's pretty easy. We're going to go ahead and take these screws out right now. So it's just a Phillips. Sometimes these are Torx bits, but most of the ones we've seen have been Phillips head. If you have a Torx bit, you can just do the same thing. It's just a screw with a different type on it. We're just going to go ahead and remove these. I'm going to take the bottom one out first. Set that aside so you don't lose it. Now I'm going to get the top one here. Now that those two screws are out, we can go ahead and remove the taillight. Just pull it straight back off of the truck. It has two little clips right here. There's one here and there's one here, and it sits right here into these notches. Sometimes they have little clips on them. This is just, it goes into these studs right here, and then when you screw it down, it holds it tight. I don't know if this one's aftermarket or not, but it looks really nice. So we're gonna go ahead and use it. For the wiring, you can either undo these right here or down here under the bumper. The wiring goes down there and it comes out right here and it goes across over to this power block where it plugs in. You can see the gray one is the left side, the black one's the right side for the taillights. So you can actually unplug it there and take the whole harness out. A lot of new replacement ones actually come with the whole harness. So what I'm going to do is the harness in this is not cut up, and I really don't know what it looks like in our truck. So I'm going to go ahead and remove all that wiring. It has the little clips here that you can use mechanics picks to knock loose, so you don't tear anything up. Sometimes they get a little bit of grit in them from being there. You can go ahead and snake it all the way out now. We went ahead and removed the tail light off of our truck. We didn't show you how to do it because we showed you how to do it on the other truck. But these are our old tail lights. As you can see, they are super crappy compared to the ones we got off this truck. So which ones would you rather have? Not those. We're going to go ahead and stick these on the truck. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to snake the wiring down there because I'm actually going to replace the harness too. The other one was okay, but it was still kind of crappy. And I know one of the turn signal bulbs was burned out anyway, so I figured I would just go ahead and do this. There's a hole right down here, and you need to snake it directly down through that hole. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to fish that wire all the way down through there, and then I'm going to mount the tail light and then do the wiring. So what I'm going to do is once that wiring is all down there, I'm going to go ahead and install the tail light. These spots right here, you can kind of see them better on our truck because it's a lighter color. We're going to line these tabs right here in those holes. So now we know it's straight on there. We can come on the inside now and reinstall those screws. Don't over tighten them because it is still, even though it has a little speed nut on there, it's still plastic ears. So just don't over tighten them. You can feel when it gets tight. When it gets tight and snug, it needs to be tight enough that that thing's not going to pop off, but not so tight that you're going to destroy something. Now that the taillight's on, I need to go underneath and reattach that wiring. Just snake it through the same way you took it off, kind of up over the frame rail, and plug it into that plug. I'm not going to show you how to do it because it's dark out now, and you're not going to be able to see it. It's dirty and crappy under there, under this truck. The wiring's a little bit hacked up, and it's a little bit different. Somebody moved that little power block around in a different spot than it should be. So it's going to look a little different on this truck than it would on your truck. But you saw how I took it off on the black truck that I removed it off of. So you can see exactly how it reattaches. It'll just be real difficult to see on this truck with everything going on. But Just do the reverse of how you took it off, like you saw on the black truck, and you should be good there. I'm going to go ahead and reinstall that wiring on this right now. Now that you have it all installed, all your wiring reinstalled, you can go ahead and start your truck and check to see if your turn signals, your brake lights, and your reverse lights work. Hopefully you see how easy it is to do these taillights. It's just 2 screws and some wiring. Go ahead and replace the wiring if your kit comes with it. If not, it's easy just to snap the new bulbs out and in. But they're pretty cheap even with the wiring. Obviously, we had some free ones on a truck we were parting out, but I was going to buy some anyway because they looked terrible. If yours are cracked or faded like that, new taillights really change the look of a truck. Even though our truck is extremely ugly, it looks so much better with clean taillights like this. If there's anything else you'd like to learn about, post down below. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at The Midnight Mech, TikTok at The Midnight Mechanic, and subscribe to our channel to see more how-tos and all of our shows. See you guys next time.